Diin ka makadto, how? Where are you going? Gadali ako. I'm in a hurry. May kadtuan ka, how? Are you going somewhere? Makadto lang ko sa tinda. I'm just going to the market. Maupod ka? You wanna come? Hindi ko makaupod simo. I can't go with you. May obrahon pa ako. I have something to do. Sige hulata lang ko da. Alright, just wait for me there. Pagbalik ko, maluto ta para sa panyaga. When I come back, we will cook for lunch. Diri ka lang, di ka magalin sa balay. Just stay here, don't leave the house. Dasig ka ba, nagbalik ka dayon? You're fast, you came back immediately. Buligi ko himosang lutuon ta. Help me with our cooking. Sige buligyan ta ka. Okay, I will help you. Tuod bala, basi hindi ka kabalo. Really? Maybe you don't know. Oh, di bala? Oh, see? Hindi magkabala ka. HRM bala, kurso ko ligad. Don't worry, I took HRM course before. Ay, tuod? Abi ko bala, welding yung kuha mo ligad. Really? I thought welding was your course before. Permi mo na bala ginahambal. You always say that. Ano gusto mo? Lutuan ta kasang Italian foods. What do you want? I'll cook Italian foods for you. Sige be, pakita talento mo. Alright, show me your talent. Natabuan lang to. It was just a coincidence. Amo lang to? That's it? Hambal lang kung ano gusto mo. Just tell me what do you want. Kung gusto mo magdiwal-dila mo, lutuan ta kasang makahang-kahang. If you want your mouth to burn, I will cook you some spicy food. Wiyati sang maayo. Hold on tight. Hoy, hulatan niyo ako. Hey, wait for me. Daw buang ka bala. You're really crazy. Katamad sa imo. You're lazy. Humalaan ko lang nga malakat kagali. If I only knew you were leaving. Karon lang. Later. May bisita kagali. You have a visitor. Sige sige. Oh sure. Anad na ko sinaya. I'm used to it. Palapit pala dire, kadto de. Come here. Katingalahan ba? It's strange. Daw baliktad man na. I think it's the other way around. Mareklamo ka pa? Are you still complaining? Labot mo. Who cares? Dinimo ko man ang tanan. I did everything. Wala ka huya. You're shameless. Nga aga ugot ka how. Why are you mad? Ano kuno to hambalya? What did he say? Puli na sa balay. Go home. Hindi pag-uyangi oras mo. Don't waste your time. Sa diin mo to nakuha. Where did you get that? Nga agahibi ka. Why you're crying? Hipos da. Shut up. Testingi bala. Try it. Kabutigon sa imo. You're a liar. De, ano plano mo? So, what is your plan? Dungan lang ta malakat. Let's go together.